Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we on aeroplane mode in our Oppo phone device from phone setting guys. From phone setting guys you want to turn on your aeroplane mode settings. So friend, how can you on today I will show you in this video. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So first of all guys open your phone setting to on your dark, oh sorry, aeroplane mode setting guys, I'm really sorry. So when we will on our phone setting guys, after on phone setting we will scroll it. So friends you can see guys this type of settings. So how can we on aeroplane mode setting guys? So friends you can see guys your connection and sharing option guys, tap here. So when you can use your aeroplane mode setting from here, and you want to on, so you can on from here. So after on guys you cannot use guys your internet setting guys, and guys you cannot use guys your call setting guys. So you can use guys your download movie, download song, and guys, offline game guys you have guys, you can use only that things. So like that guys you can on your dark modes or aeroplane mode setting in your oppo phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, and guys sorry again.